Stay tuned for this quick bite video of how I created this rose gold marbled vase. Began by hot gluing the two metal wreath bases to the top portion of the vase, making sure to glue both pieces together. Then I took everything outside and spray painted it white. I made sure to leave time to dry in between each coat. Next, I brought it back inside once it was completely dry and began to create my veining along the surface of the vase. I simply used some E6000 glue and a toothpick to spread the glue alongside the top of the vase, and we're actually going to go around the entire vase. And this is the process that I used to apply the rose gold flakes. I figured this would be the easiest and less messy than just applying the E6000 directly to the vase. And I continued this process, making sure I covered the entire surface of the vase, continuing and taking my time to go slowly and just creating the veining however I saw fit. Of course, you can use whatever color spray paint that you want and customize this to your desire. Make sure that you go along the top portion of the vase as well and create the veining so that you don't leave any empty spaces. Once this dries, you're going to simply dust off any excess rose gold flakes. And this is what your rose gold marble vase should look like once everything is completely dry and you have dusted off any excess of the rose gold like wafer paper. I really like how this came out. It reminds me of these old time vases that I've seen, kind of like Greek urn esques. I really like how it came out. So, and then this was me just kind of filling up the wire wreath just to show you an option of what you can use that for. You could also put little fairy lights in as well as an option. Thanks for joining me for this quick bite video this week. Make sure you like this video, turn on the bell for notifications, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. Love you. Bye.